Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is going to be a very fun impromptu video. So if you are new here, I want to let you know a little bit of a secret. I happen to love coffee, and I finally tried the pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks, and your girl is hyper. Hyper, okay? I'm just letting you know this. If you guys are OGs to the channel, you already know how this video is about to go, okay? Because I am turned up. Anywho, let me tell you guys. So I went, I low-key played hooky from work today. It's technically not play hooky because my client rescheduled. So I was like, I'm about to go to the mall. Went to the mall, couldn't find no clothes. But I went to Sephora and picked up a few items. I shouldn't say a few. I picked up, I went there with the intent of getting one thing, and then I found something on sale, so whatever. So anyway, let me show you guys. If you guys have watched the title or read the title of this video, you already know what I'm going to be reviewing. We're going to be doing our first impressions and opening the box and doing all of that. And they is definitely making sure nobody's steal, because I can't get this out the I can't get it out of the box. Girl, okay, Denessa. Loss prevention. I'm really struggling to open this box. Oh my god, I need to get it together. Hold up, y'all. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, very luxe. It's very luxurious. I'm here for it. I love the brown. I also love how she has her name DM in the front. I just love that. The aesthetic in me, the influencer in me, it's giving. It does have a little scooper in the front. You have to press it to get it out, and we are going to be using this to test out the product. This is what number 7 looks like. We love the color, and even if you put it next to my skin, you see it kind of looks like it's going to just blend right in smooth, seamlessly. So we got number 7, and I want to try it out. Now, I did see online that everyone was saying that it would work well if you use your fingers. I'm really not a finger makeup girl unless I'm like blending concealer or like a cream product. This is a cream product, but I just don't feel like putting my fingers all over my face. So we're going to do two things. One, I'm going to pin my hair up and get it out my face because, you know, that's not going to work. And then I'm going to clean my hands. So let's zoom in on the camera so that we can get a close-up of the face and the product. Can you see me? It's me. Ew. Okay. All right, so again, this is the product. Looks really great, and I'm trying to figure out, ooh, my earrings ain't loyal, y'all. Okay, so I think we're going to do, this side is going to be fingertips, and then this side is going to be brush. So I think I'm going to start off with my fingers first, and we're going to do this side and see how it looks. And just for aesthetic purposes, I feel like I want to use the scooper, even though I'm going to be crying in a minute when I have to clean it off, but you know. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So we are going to spatula her on. I should have turned my mirror on. Okay. So I'm trying to keep my face to the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing, but my mirror is right here. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. So it feels like it doesn't feel too creamy. It's very soft. So instead of feeling creamy, it feels a little more velvety on the skin. It is very light, although I did not put too much product on my skin because I don't have any primer. I don't have anything on my face. It's literally just this powder and the moisturizer that I had on this morning. So no primer, no nothing. Let me compare the two right now. Let's zoom in. Right now, I don't see that my pores are blurred. What it looks like initially is that my skin looks more even. It looks like a more even canvas on this side. But I do like the feel of it on my skin. I do like the feel. Let's actually take the brush. Now this brush actually has a lot more product than what I did on the other side. I'm glad I used purple so you guys can see. I think I need to go back. Yeah, I think I need to go back and apply a little bit more of the product with my hand on the opposite side just to see. No, okay. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping. That's what I wanted to know. I think this product, even though she says that you can use this with your fingers, it applies much better with the brush. Much better. Yeah, much better with a brush. I don't use blending sponges when I apply my foundation anymore. I only use those to blend in concealer. So I like to use brushes when I apply my foundation because I just feel like I get a better I get better coverage when I do it that way. Okay. I'm going to continue to blend this out, but I'm going to give you my first impressions as of right now. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. I like it a lot, actually. One, it is really blending in well with my skin. My skin looks like skin. It looks as if I have nothing on my face. But my skin just looks a little more even, which I enjoy. I also do like, yeah, I like this a lot, y'all. I do. And right now, the reason you can tell that I have on makeup is if you look at my eyelids. You can see my eyelids are definitely not the same color as the rest of my face. So let's do this. Let's do it that way. And now you can tell. So of course this eyelid has product and this one doesn't. So you can see the difference in my skin. I'm liking this, you guys. This is definitely a good product. This retails for about $36 as of right now. Let me just double check because, girl, I be saying anything. I be saying anything. Prices be wrong. Girl. Here we go. I paid $36. I was correct. Go Mir. Ew. So yeah, $36, not too bad. It's not the cheapest foundation, like it's not giving drugstore, but it's giving black girl luxury, honey. And I'm here for that. Okay. So again, I'm looking in my mirror and I'm hoping that you guys can see this. You can definitely tell my natural skin tone on this eyelid versus this eyelid. So you can see that it definitely did even out my skin. I do have a really light coverage. I love the fact that it just evened out my skin tone. It's doing it. So I will be back with a updated review. Yeah. I'm feeling it. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, you guys, we are back. It's been a few hours and I wanted to give you an updated review on my thoughts, my first impressions, all of the good stuff. So first impressions is I absolutely adore the product. I think it did really well with the tone and matching my actual complexion. Again, I got the number 7, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna be between a 7 and an 8. After going into the store, I realized that I believe 8 was a little bit too dark for me. So I went with the 7 with the hopes of if 7 is too light, I can always set it with another powder or I can layer it with foundation. So today I put it on my face and then after I finished the video, I put a little bit of eyeshadow on and I didn't even try the eyebrows. I didn't even try today, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't even try, but I did put a little bit of makeup on, some mascara, and it's been a few hours. It's been, let me see. It's after 1 o'clock, so it's been over 5 hours I've had it on. I do love that it's set as a powder. That is the best thing about this product. It definitely set on my skin matte. The only issue that I noticed was when I first put it on, Again, it applied like a cream product, so it was very, very soft. It has a very velvet finish, but I noticed after about 30 minutes, my skin still felt a bit wet because it was a cream product. So I think it takes about 45 minutes, possibly an hour, for it to dry down into its powder form. And that is what we see here, which I absolutely love. Like once it dries down, I love it. I do feel like also it oxidized a little bit. I think it got a tad bit lighter once it dried down, which is fine for me, especially considering I still have my summer tan. So I know that once my summer color or my summer glow is gone, this will match my skin probably about 99%. But even looking at it now, I think it did a really good job of drying down and matching my neck. Also too, I thought I was going to put a little bit of concealer on, but I decided not to do that. But I did set underneath my eyes with some bright powder. So if you do see that it's brighter here, that is why. I do have yellow powder underneath my eyes because I just wanted like a more awake look. The coffee wasn't working, y'all. It wasn't working. So yeah, my first impressions is I love the product. Again, I love the fact that it is cream. I love the fact that you can apply it with your hands. Again, I did not apply with my hands, but I think this would be a really good product on the go. If you are deciding to put it on with your hands or you don't have any other option, it's a really good product to use. Of course, it has the spoolie in the front, which makes it so much better. But again, I love the way it dried down. I love the finish. I would definitely say if you can go into the store and try it out versus the online chart, because again, I thought I was an 8 looking at the chart, but when I went to the store, I wound up being a 7. I have absolutely no complaints outside of the 30-minute to 45-minute grace period that this product needs to dry down. I did not try this product with foundation. On the website, it said that you can use this in combination with liquid foundation. I did not do that, but I think if I was to do that, in the instance I got the wrong color, I think it would actually work really, really well. I want to see, I should have done that. I want to see how this product works if I get like 2 shades lighter and I want to use it as a concealer. That's really interesting. If I use it as concealer underneath my eyes and let it dry down on days where I just don't have time for anything, I'm interested to see how that will work. I think it will work really well, to be honest with you, but nevertheless, I will give this product a glam. A few years ago on this channel, I had a series that I called Glam or No Ma'am. This is definitely a glam product. I highly recommend it. I do also like the price point. It was under $40. And you do, how many ounces of product do you get? You get 18 grams of product, and I really do like it, y'all. I'm just going to be honest with you. I like the product. I think it's worth the money. I definitely think it's worth the hype, and I love the way that it's set on my skin. Again, if you have dry skin, be really cautious with that area. Like put extra moisturizer on or put on a hydrating primer if you want. I do feel like this will really catch on to those dry patches if you have any. And I do have a few because I changed my skincare, and I have a dry patch right here. And I noticed when I went to the mirror earlier that you can kind of see the dry skin, and I didn't see it earlier that morning. So I thought I would just throw that in there. But again, overall, I love the product, and it is definitely a glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ChimereNicole, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you are thinking about getting this product, or if you have it, what are your thoughts on the product? As always, I will see you guys in the next video, and talk to you soon.